Hi, this is Emily, and I chose for Project 3 to do Chapter 4, Gender. And in the background is my picture that I created for this chapter, and now I'm just going to talk about each squares that I have, like the squares at the top, and then the little stairs leading down are the subtitles to what I'm going to talk about. So first we have gender identity, and all gender identity is stating if you're a male or a female from when you were born. And then we go to masculinity and femininity. I can't say the word. Most cultures value masculinity over femininity. Masculinity is measured by independence, assertiveness, leadership, self-relevance, and emotional stability. Feminine is emotional, dependent, compliant, empathetic, and nurturing. That means that I kind of feel like they think that the woman should be more nurturing and caring, while the man is being more independent and emotionally stable. So then next we have transgender identity, which is a term used for persons whose gender, identity, or behavior doesn't conform to or is not associated with the sex that they were assigned at birth. So that just means someone that is struggling with their identity, like if they want to be a male or a female. Next we go to the cost of sexism and gender discrimination. So the first thing that we have are jobs. Well, most women there's a lot of jobs that women do that men does not do, and there's a lot of jobs that men do that women do not do. And so some of those jobs that women do that men do not do is, one, a pathologist, a teacher, or a dental hygienist. I mean, if we go into the school system, we mostly see women. We do not see men. We see men like higher up, like in the school boards or principals, things like to that nature. And for the men, things that they do that women do not do would be a brick, block, stone mason, or an electrician or a mechanist. So, I mean, you're not going to see a woman out there running electricity or working on a machine. I mean, yeah, every now and then, sure, you have that one woman out there, but for the most part, that's men. And so next we're going to go to income. So these statistics were taken in 2005 and then 2014. It stated that men in 2005 made $750 a week, where women made $600. In 2014, men around about made $900, where women made around about $700. So you can see that women and men around about make almost the same amount of money. 2005, it was a $50 difference. In 2014, it's just only around about $175 to a $200 difference. So next we go to sexual harassment, which is a form of sex discrimination that has long existed in the workplace, where women have been recipients of unwanted and unwelcome sexual behavior. That means that women have had things said to them or done to them or anything to that nature. And then for the last thing we're going to talk about is bringing gender equality to the classroom and beyond. First, we're going to talk about the Title IX, and that would be the Public Law 92-318. That would be, no person in the United States shall, on the basis of sex, be excluded from participation in, be denied the benefits of, or being subjected to discrimination under any education program or activity receiving federal financial assistance. That means no matter what your sex, the way you identify yourself, anything, you cannot be sexually discriminated at a workplace. They cannot tell you that you did not have the job because of your sexual preferences. And then we have non-sexist education, which is designed to ensure that two sexes are treated fairly and equally in the curriculum, their interactions with teachers, and instructional and extracurricular activities. To promote non-sexist classrooms, teachers require readings that include women authors as well as male authors. Males and females should appear on bulletin boards in teachers' prepared material and non-stereotypical jobs and roles. Male students need to participate in stereotypical female activities and vice versa. So, I mean, that's just one way that we can do this. Like, I mean, we can go in the classroom and teach in a non-sexist way. We can always try to make people feel comfortable. And so that's all I had to talk about for gender. Thank you so much.